come along, come along. This is Rheneas, and he works on a little railway in the hills. He runs the line with his friend Skarloey. They love their railway very much. They take passengers up and down the line, through the most beautiful parts of the island. They thoroughly enjoy each other's company too, and sometimes wind each other up. The railway is old, and sometimes things go wrong. Damaged points had sent Skarloey down the wrong line. Oh dear, oh dear. It's not my fault the tracks are worn. Rheneas only laughed again. Of course, blame it on the track. Skarloey knew that Rheneas was only teasing. It was getting late, and Rheneas's passengers needed to get home too. Come along, Rheneas. Let's get everyone home. Goodbye, Rheneas. Make sure you get back safely. Oh, I will. The two engines are firm friends, and they have been for many years. Poor Skarloey isn't as young as he once was, and can't pull as many trains as he used to. Rheneas doesn't mind. He's happy being really useful. But Skarloey was right. The tracks are very old and very worn. That's done it. Rheneas's passengers were already very late, so they set off on the long walk home. The poor little engine was stuck on the loneliest part of the line. The railway's only small, and there were no cranes. The men had to get him back on the rails themselves. This was going to take a long time. The men had put Rheneas safely back on the tracks. Come on then, let's make our way home. Oh, Rheneas, it's good to see you. I'm sorry for laughing yesterday. You were right about the track. That's quite all right. I heard you got stuck. These rails have held our weight for a long time, but they're not the strongest anymore. We've learned that the hard way. You two better get a move on, for a coach is waiting for you both at the station. This quaint little railway can be ever so exhausting, but Rheneas and Skarloey don't mind, for they know that the best is yet to come.